Is it time to buy or sell SCLX Holding Company stock? In this video, we will explore SCLX Holding Company in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 3rd of October, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any vital updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 30th of September 2025, our system has ranked Scilex Holding Company as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -4.49. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock experienced a loss of 19.82%. This results in an average daily loss of 4.95% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential 167.07% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 167.07% and 457.56%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a negative 27.51% projected change. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 100% to 35.95% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $21.45. Our latest daily update for Scilex Holding Company includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Scilex Holding Company stock price on Friday, moving between $14.80 and $17.58. The Scilex Holding Company stock price fell by 9.05% on the last day, Friday, the 3rd of October, 2025, from $17.35 to $15.78. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 18.78%, with a low of $14.80 and a high of $17.58. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 45.74% for this period. Volume increased on the last day by 31,000 shares, but this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating that risk will be slightly increased over the next couple of days. In total, 506,000 shares were bought and sold for approximately $7,990,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $39.90, and the lowest price was $3.60. Currently, the price is 60.45%, or $24.12, below the 52-week high, and 97.33%, or $575.72, below the all-time high on the 5th of April 2023, when the price reached $591.50. Scilex Holding Company has taken significant steps to reshape its balance sheet and asset mix. This week, the company repurchased 3,130,000 Warrant warrants for $13 million, retaining an option to buy the remaining 3,370,000 warrants for $14 million through the end of the year, an action that reduces potential dilution. Scilex has also closed the initial tranche of its planned $150 million Bitcoin-funded investment in DataVault AI, receiving 15 million DataVault shares, along with a substantial pre-funded warrant for the remainder, pending shareholder approval. The company has completed a $200 million non-dilutive exchange of Semner shares for $200 million in Bitcoin, and announced further Semner share financings linked to Bitcoin. While Semner's SPAC business combination has successfully closed, Scilex has signed a memorandum of understanding on cryptocurrency treasury strategies to manage that exposure. In the short term, expect volatility, Bitcoin mark-to-market fluctuations, and questions surrounding liquidity for large DataVault positions could put pressure on the stock or create trading spikes. The warrant buyback is a positive development in the near term, alleviating overhang. In the long term, cryptocurrency reserves and strategic stakes could enhance potential upside if Bitcoin and Data Vault perform well and Semner executes commercially, though these factors also raise concentration, regulatory, and correlation risks compared to a purely pharmaceutical narrative. Key catalysts to watch include Bitcoin valuation, Data Vault shareholder approval, and operational progress from Semner. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 21st of October, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SCLX a buy rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 16th of October, 2024, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned SCLX a buy rating with an initialize action. On Wednesday, the 12th of June, 2024, it was reported that Rodman and Renshaw assigned SCLX a buy rating with an initialize action. On Friday, the 3rd of May, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SCLX a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Scilex Holding Company stock a general sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also designated the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Scilex Holding Company. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock of Scilex Holding Company shows sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. During upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $22.60 and $22.23. A breakout above either of these levels would signal a buying opportunity. A sell signal originated from a pivot top point on Monday, September 22, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 47.4%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased while prices fell, which may serve as an early warning sign, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 10 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 166 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 58 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 53 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Scilex Holding Company. Scilex Holding Company discovers support from accumulated volume at $15.52. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating a high level of volatility. With a considerable prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.78 between its high and low, which represents an increase of 18.78%. In the past week, the average daily volatility of the stock has been 22.72%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Scilex Holding Company, let's briefly review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often as a result of factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 12th of November, 2025. Analysts are forecasting a consensus estimate of negative $410,000. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Scilex Holding Company. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Scilex Holding Company is at $15.95. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Scilex Holding Company encounters its first support level at $15.52. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Scilex Holding Company from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 21st of January, 2025, when SCLX Stock Acquisition JV LLC executed an insider sale of 3,250,000 shares of common stock. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and we have not established a stop loss. Is Scilex Holding Company stock a good buy? The stock of Scilex Holding Company presents several negative signals. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Scilex Holding Company will exhibit weak performance over the coming days or weeks. Consequently, our evaluation of this stock has shifted from a strong sell to a sell candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and fluctuations from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 6th of October, we expect Scilex Holding Company to open higher by 273 0.1 of a dollar, starting at $16.05. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.